That's right. That's the O. S. Where's the A? Where's the A? A for apple. Do you like your quilt? Can you say, "Thank you, Auntie"? Say thank you. Where's the S for Suki? Where is it? Is it right here? S.
Ooh.
That's right.
S.
That's right.
Ooh.
V. Where's the P? P. Right here. P.
B.
That's right, honey. Aw, say thank you, Auntie, for thinking about me.